The purpose of this video is to serve as a refresher on how to review your department or college's course schedule for a particular semester. You'll start by navigating to the university's homepage. In the search bar, type in Banner. Select Banner Batch Stop Application Areas. And it's going to take you to a screen where you log in with your single sign-on. After logging in, select this right here. Scroll down to the registrar's office, and then scroll down to the rs4140 report. Select that report. Choose the term that you want to review. Choose your college. And you can also choose the department if you wish. Choose comma and click Run Job. That's going to pull it into an Excel spreadsheet so you can sort and review. Open the spreadsheet, and anything that is on this report is an active course. If you do not want the course to be offered for that particular semester, you need to go into Banner and activate it. Just because you don't check the voice self-service box doesn't mean it's not going to be active. So if students were to type in the CRN, they're able to register for it, and there's also going to be a room that's going to be assigned. The best thing to do is to scroll through. You can do some sorts, but you need to verify a few areas. Check to make sure any face-to-face course has days and times associated with it. Review your course notes. Make sure those are accurate. Instructor. If you have a course that's going to be offered and you want to offer it at a different day and time, you don't have to create a new section. You can simply go into the CRN in Banner and edit the days and times, or edit the instructor. Verify the instructional method, everything that's correct. Just go through a quick glance and make sure each portion of the course is what it should be. Send it to chair, send it to program coordinators, have them take a look. The more eyes, the better. That's all for this video. More videos can be found at westga.edu under the Reserve West webpage.